When I say everything gets a dose of leaves every year, look at my blueberries. Look at the little black bees. Quick tip. See that black bee right there? That black bee can pollinate blueberries. A honeybee, which I have a bunch of them, can get some pollen off that blueberry, but they cannot pollinate it like a black bee. A black bee will land on that flower right there and start buzzing at a certain temperature, how you say it, a certain frequency, frequency. That frequency makes that flower open up and that bee can get in there. So without your black native bees, you can have trouble with your blueberries. That's why I have pollinator houses all over my yard.